This is the real deal here. This is not an imposer. This is a 1970 Camaro, and it is ready for the track. It's ready for the street. It's ready for cruising. It's ready for car shows. This thing is done over the top. Every component is taken to the next level. This is a high-end build, folks. And again, the handling and performance is crazy. We'll talk all about the full custom chassis, the big brakes. It's a Massed Motorsports Black Label LS3 under the hood, 6-speed manual trans, 9-inch rear end, all leather interior. Again, high-end everything. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I hope I do this car justice, because everyone here, everyone that sees it, it's like, wow, this is a cut above everything else. It's not just a bunch of bolt-on coilover shocks and that. This thing is pro built. So up here, the fit and finish, the body works outstanding. The hood is square, flush, straight. I love the color scheme, all smooth to the touch. You don't even feel it. Fender is beautiful. The lines, the gaps, all this is spot on, all the way to the bottom. All this real nice, clean, opens easily, shuts easily. The roof, the sail panels, the quarter panels, all excellent. A lot of times these sail panels can be a problem, especially a car with power. It twists, but this has a lot of extra supports in it, which we'll talk more about. Again, the color scheme, very unique. I think it's outstanding. There's a silver, gray, blue, black, all the metal flakes laid out evenly. It is all smooth, glossy. I don't see any cracking. Little tiny speckled stone chips behind the tires. These are some sticky tires, and it rips the debris on the road. So I never even noticed it. I'm the one who bought the car. I never even noticed it till just before we started. They're tiny. All this is excellent. All this square, flush, beautiful. So you might have noticed there's some real carbon fiber. The mirrors, they're actual carbon fiber. Front and back bumpers are carbon fiber. It's a split bumper. It has a front spoiler, has LED headlights. The glass is in real nice shape. The trim has been blacked out. Has some really nice Rushforth wheels wrapped in G-force tires, and they are extra wide in back. Has the studs coming out instead of lug nuts. Let me see what those are. They're 18 by 10s in front, 18 by 12 in back. Rushforth Whiplash wheels. Coming around the back, it does have a little carbon fiber spoiler attached to the spoiler. Carbon fiber rear bumper. LED tail lights with some billet bezels around them. Nice smooth valance. So got a lot more to talk about. Let's dive into the inside. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. It has a gas strut that opens it automatically. It's painted nice. It's boxed, you can see that, and upholstered. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. I also know this has been wrapped in sound deadener under the trunk. I'm sure the interior as well. So check out that all custom door panel. It is genuine leather. It's got diamond stitching. It has carbon fiber at the top of it. It's got some billet handles, got some speaker system going on there too. The dash has a carbon fiber insert, custom knobs, carbon fiber ultralight gauges. The dash pad is replaced, fits real nicely. Air conditioned vents in the factory location. All this is nice and stock. Does have an Alpine stereo. Custom center console with the 6-speed drilled billet handle and the leather boot with blue stitching. Nice power window toggles. Compartment opens up here. There's some USB ports. I don't know if that's for wipers or what that is there. Cup holders. The seats, genuine soft leather. Again, diamond stitching. This is quality leather with blue stitching. Very comfortable seats. It does have the full racing type harness to bolt you in there. Now we got this roll bar set up. It starts down here. It's very substantial. This helps make the car rigid. Not only does it help you if you've gotten an accident, but it keeps the car from twisting. It's probably why there's not stress cracks on the body. And you do have this roll bar in the back. If you're limber, if you're a kid, you can climb around it and use the back seat. There are speakers back there as well with tweeters. Console goes front to back. And then again, the roll cage up on top. The headliner's redone. And this roll bar goes all around. It goes all the way through the dash down to the floor. Very substantial. This is a removable steering wheel, I believe. Maybe it's not. It looks like it is. It's a racing type steering wheel on a tilt column. It has some nice special pedals underneath there. Whole thing's been rewired. I'm sure this comes off somehow. I'll look at that again in a minute. So yeah, actually very comfortable interior and ready for the street cruising or ready to go to the track. You drive it to the track. So Mast Motorsports LS3 Black Label engine. It's making about 600 horsepower. This thing just runs strong. It's stroked to a 416 Holly Sniper fuel injection. It has Molly pistons, Callie's forged crank, vintage air front runner system. So the serpentine belt and pulleys and all the components up front here. Here's that roll bar. Comes through the firewall, attaches to the front frame. So again, very solid, rigid car. This is a catch can, I believe, for the over, so you don't get oil drips in that. It would blow into there. Adjustable shocks, remote adjusters for the shocks right here. That's high-end stuff. Nice fat headers. You got custom fender supports, carbon fiber, filler panel. This isn't a sticker, it's real carbon fiber. Big aluminum radiator with dual electric fans. You got power steering. All the inner fenders are smooth, clean metal. They don't have holes punched in them. Again, remote reservoir for the adjustable shocks, Willwood master cylinder, an upgraded delay wiper system. It has these nice billet hinges that work really smooth. See that? They work so nicely. See a lot going on under here. And again, I'm not doing it justice. Take your time, read the ad, look at the pictures. Right now, Michael's going to show you how it runs. He was already drove the car, to be honest with you, and he was blown away with it too. So we'll see you in a couple minutes.
Everybody, hang on tight. This is going to be a quick test drive. Got the Camaro here. She could go on the track. She can go to the car show. It has all the characteristics that we offer, really. Kind of show car, race car. There's nothing that it can't do. Really liking the interior. The seats extremely supportive. Will keep you in place when you're cutting the curbs. This roll cage is one of the easiest roll cages that I've ever experienced getting in and out of, because the bar is so low on the side. But it'll offer legitimate safety if you need it. And God, tons of upgrades on this one. Oh, one more thing about the roll cage. The back bar, you can pull that out if you'd like as well. You guys got to check out pictures of the undercarriage. It's completely upgraded. It's got rack and pinion power steering up front. It's got a 4-link out back, adjustable coilovers, and all the goodies, like legitimate track car stuff. So 416 under the hood, LS3 fuel injected. Let's see what she's got. 6-speed manual. Just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. We're rating this one at something like 600 horsepower, and I do believe that's a little bit of an understatement on this car. It is extremely fast, and it's freaking awesome. I don't know what else to say about it. 6-speed manual transmission, 55 miles an hour at 2,000 RPMs. See how she goes on the road. Really nice alignment. I tell you, this thing is super dialed in, and somebody's gonna have an exceptional car any way they look at it. Come on down to us, take it for a test drive. You're absolutely gonna love it, without a doubt. And start by checking out the undercarriage pictures and all the details on our website, volocars.com.
There's so much going on underneath. I am going to refer to my notes on this one. Complete chassis front to back. Up front is a $10,000 Detroit Speed hydroformed subframe. Comes with adjustable tubular control arms, coilover, double adjustable AFCO gas shocks with the remote reservoir, a spline sway bar, rack and pinion steering. Has substantial frame connectors front to back that are countersunk into the floors. In back, it's a Detroit Speed Quadrolink setup with tubular control arms, coilover double adjustable gas shocks, and a panhard bar. Completely hand-fabricated 3-inch stainless exhaust with X-pipe, welded seams, Borla mufflers, and turn-down tips. To fit 3-inch, to get it to go around everything and over the rear end, especially when the car's lowered, that's no easy task. They did a great job. It sounds great, and it looks really nice. It has race quality bare 6R brakes with 13-inch rotors. Says there's 6 pistons up front. I think they're 6 piston in back. They're like a billet caliper. The rear calipers are huge. They look identical to the front. I think they're 6 piston front and back, which I've never seen 6 piston on the back before. Custom fuel system with a stainless tank. Looking up at the motor, custom aluminum oil pan. It has an AccuSump. It's a dry sump system. So if you ever go around a corner, the oil sloshes over to one side. Well, that's never going to happen with this car. It's always going to have oil pumping through it. High torque starter. It has a Bowler performance transmission. It's a T56 Magnum 6-speed manual. Custom aluminum drive shaft leads back to the heavy-duty 9-inch full floater rear with 389 gears and a true track limited slip. Everything under there looks clean, proper, professionally installed. This whole car looks professionally built. I bet you couldn't build this shop today for $250,000 for what we got going on here at a professional shop. So again, you got driving gloves, you're that type of guy, you want to drive your car, this thing will give you all that you can handle. If you just want to go cruising in a really cool hot rod, go get ice cream, it'll do that too. Flip on the air conditioning, enjoy the soft leather seats, the stereo system. Whatever you do, you're going to enjoy the heck out of it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions, including how you're going to get your '70 Camaro delivered home. And if you need help with financing, they can do that too. Thanks for watching.